Signs your body needs detox. In our busy lives, our bodies deal with toxins from the environment, processed foods, and stress all the time. They work hard to process daily toxins, but sometimes they need a little extra support. So, how would you know your body is needing a detox? Let's explore the signs. 1. Digestive issues like bloating, constipation, and indigestion. These symptoms indicate that the body's built-in cleaning systems, like the liver and digestive system, might be having a hard time getting rid of harmful substances. This struggle often happens because of too much junk food and exposure to things like pollution. 2. Persistent headaches. If you often get headaches, it could be because there are too many toxins in your body, causing inflammation in your brain and making your head hurt. Drinking enough water and cleaning out those toxins can help stop the headaches. 3. Fatigue and brain fog. Feeling tired all the time, or having trouble thinking clearly, might mean your body is working too hard to deal with toxins, especially in your liver. Doing a detox can help your liver work better, giving you more energy and making your brain sharper. 4. Skin issues like acne, dull complexion, and rashes. If you're getting lots of pimples, your skin looks dull, or you have rashes, it could be because your body is trying to push out toxins through your skin. Doing things to help your body detox can make your skin look and feel better. 5. Mental and emotional symptoms such as stress, anxiety, and irritability. Feeling stressed, anxious, or cranky all the time could be because your body has too many toxins, making your hormones and emotions go a bit haywire. Doing activities to relax and detoxing can help you feel calmer and happier. Did you notice any of these signs? Comment down below.